Hi, this is Kirby from TELUS, and I'm here to help you replace the batteries in your smart home security system smoke detector. With your system disarmed, grasp your smoke detector and turn it counterclockwise to disengage it from the base. Moving safely to the ground. The batteries can be difficult to remove with a fingernail, so I recommend using a golf tee or a guitar pick. Once you've removed your old batteries, count to 20 before replacing with new batteries. That will help make sure that this unit is completely powered down. Please do recycle or dispose of your old batteries properly. Replace the new batteries negative to positive, making sure the polarity is correct. To replace your smoke detector, turn it clockwise, making sure that this line lines up with the base. You'll know it's operating correctly when you see that green light flashing every 12 seconds. Thank you very much. Have a great day.